Nairobi, Lagos, kila siku kama komando.
Hi guys, let me tell you something. Nimetoka super. And then saying asubuhi, saying sangapi? Saying like 10:30 ama 11. So kenye nimeendea super ni hizi vitu mbili. Floydeez. I want to document this because I don't know, let me just document it. If you make it ni sawa, isipo make ni sawa. But jana niliona challenge ya Floydeez. Wakona a certain challenge. When you do it and you win the challenge, you're going to get a PR package from them. That means a whole box of these thingies. But see, you know, a PR package as a content creator, hiyo si kitu ndogo, hiyo sio something small. So this is my first time kununua hizi vitu. Sijawahi onja at all. Naonanga watu nazo tu, like sijawahi. I want to do like not a very serious challenge, but I just want to try it. Yeah, TikTok and then so I bought chocolate flavor because I love chocolate flavor and coconut flavor. Wengine ilikuwa chili, and then the rest zilikuwa zile kubwa, and I didn't have money for that. But let us try it with you. I'm not ready to taste. Ni popcorns. Oh, yote imeandikwa. Bro, nasikia tu chocolate. It's not bad. It is try popcorn for chocolate. Good one here, coconut. Ooh. Oh my days. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Oh my god. What up, guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Precious Muveu Munyoki. Not for those who don't know me. For those who are new here, my name is Precious Muveu Munyoki. And for the returning subscribers, karibuni sana. Guys. Today I've received my first PR package as an influencer. And oh my days, I'm still processing it. Like, this is unbelievable. You know, hata sitaki kusema mingi, hata sina mambo mingi ya kusema, but because I'm still processing it. Like, I'm still processing it. Acha niwaambie, nilianza content creation lini? Like, nilianza a serious one 2 months ago, like tuko month 3. This is the 3rd month. And to you guys, inaweza kuwa ni a very like small thing kwenu, but like kwangu, this is not a small thing. This is a big thing. This is a huge thing. Like, oh my days. Yeah, so let us unbox together. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everyone who believes in me. Thank you for anyone who likes my comment, my videos, who shares them, everyone who has subscribed, everyone who has followed me, anyone who supports me with advice, like vitu tu mingi. Aki, asanteni sana. This is my small community that I have built brick by brick, and this win is ours. This is the cheers to many more, and kai aki ati mimi nasema nini, but nasikia vizuri. Like, you guys, hamjui venye nilisikia kukua email na a brand and like, congratulations, you won this and this and this and this, and then kidogo Wells Fargo calling, your package is here, and oh god, this is not a small thing to me. So thank you to everyone, thank you to you guys, thank you to you, of course thank you to God. Like, nimemshukuru sana. So let us unbox together and see what's in here. Niko happy. Niko happy, guys. Niko happy. So let us do this together. To this brand, Floydeez, thank you so. Floydeez. Mbona naita Floydeez. It's a Kenyan brand, and I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for trusting in me. Like, thank you for delivering. I love like brands that wanafanya kenye wamesema like watafanya. For a moment nilikuwa nadhani ni like jokes, like hii package itakuwa delivered, sita receive ama kitu kama hiyo. For a moment nilikuwa nadhani ni hivyo, but then okay, you proved me wrong. Thank you so much. Ni hamjui venye mmenijenga, like mmenijenga na most like ya kuendelea na hii kitu yenye nafanya. Yeah. So yeah, kwa hayo mengi na machache, You guys, this is our win. This is our win. This is not my win peke yangu. It's our win. And to me, oh God, it's so wrapped. Imefungwa. Woo! Hata sionekani. Kama naonekana sijui. Nini hizi? Let me show you. Haifunguki. Yeah. Oh my days! Let me show you. Ooh. You're easy. Like there are so many. There are so many. Sijaiona hizi like kidogo. Peanuts, you guys. Oh, yeah. Peanut. Hizi nitapea mamangu. Oh, hizi napea mamangu. Mamangu anapenda nuts. Yeah. A gift to my mom. Oh my days. I'm crying. Ni mingi na mabuyu. Ni mnacheki. So I want to review. Oh my days. I'll do a review. I don't know how. But I had promised that oh God, hii community yangu imenijenga sana. So nitatafutana na nyinyi na nitawapea hizi vitu. This is our win. Yes?
Siende bali nami Nairobi, Lagos, kila siku kama komando. Siende bali nami hata 1 centimeter away.
Woo! Aki asante. Thank you so much. Thank you, Floydeez. Floydeez to the world.